The man who was wanted for the slaying of a policeman in St. Anne on Monday was shot and killed by the police in the parish on Tuesday, sources have revealed. He has been identified by law enforcement officials as Ciraldo Butler, also known as Siri. A security guard was shot dead by an off-duty policeman early Sunday in St. Thomas. Reports are that the guard was embroiled in a fight with another man around 5 a.m. when the policeman intervened. It is alleged that the security guard attacked the policeman with a knife. The policeman retaliated by shooting the guard several times. The man was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The deceased has only been identified as 21-year-old employee of a security firm of Dalby in the parish. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the matter. The teacher has been hospitalized with chest and upper left side wounds after gunmen smashed open a window to her St. Andrew home and opened fire in the wee hours of Sunday morning. The incident occurred sometime after 3 a.m. in a section of Lawrence Tavern, St. Andrew, called Burn Shop. Investigators have theorized the educator who recently moved to the area may not have been the target of the attack. The shooting has left the farming district on edge. The St. Elizabeth police have recovered another illegal firearm. This is the third firearm to be recovered in 48 hours. Head of the division, Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto, said on Sunday, April 14, about 12 noon, a team of officers conducted an intelligence-led operation in the Grosmont community where a fatal shooting took place on Friday. During the operation, an underfit motor car which was parked in the vicinity was searched and a Glock 17 pistol with 17 9mm rounds were recovered. Superintendent Minto has commended the officers for their diligent search, which yielded this result. He also highlighted that efforts have been intensified in the search for two men who fired at the police on Friday. Noting that the men are armed and dangerous, Superintendent Minto is appealing to members of the public not to harbor them. He is also appealing to the men to surrender to the police, adding that they can do so with their attorneys, but if not, they can rest assured all efforts will be made to bring them into custody.